First and foremost, I would like to congratulate the Bicol Eagles region for this memorable and momentous event.
Una po sa lahat, ako po'y nasisihan dahil ito ay una pangarap lang ng Agila. Dahil ito po ay nasa ating Magna Carta at sana ito po ay maging taon-taon na nating isa-celebrate.
Pageant, of course, aside from this is really written in our Magna Carta, we have to follow what is written in our book. So that's why this year we launched the very first Miss Philippine Eagle 2023.
Sa inyo lahat, kami po ay nagpapasalamat at tayo po ay nagkakaisa at sana po ipagdasal po natin na wala po masasaktan sa lahat ng mga kandidata dahil ang tataas ng hilas nila. Yun lang po at maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Mabuhay ang Agila!
I hope everybody would enjoy this evening's event. This is the first, and we hope that this will not be the last. Our objective here is paangatin ang status ng Agila, the TFOE Yakap P.
Dasal, lahat ng mga magulang, huwag kayo magsawa na alagaan ng inyong mga anak. Ganon din po ang Agila. Hindi kayo magsasawang tumulong sa inyo.
Thank you very much for coming to this 44th National Assembly, 42nd National Congress. I all welcome you here tonight and I hope you will enjoy the festivities later kasi andito na yung mga awards nyo, yung mga pinagpaguran nyo, and I hope mas paigihan natin yung gagawin natin for next year's activity. And let us inspire everybody dito sa mga ginagawa natin. And we always try to uplift the name ng TFOE Yakap P.
always setting a standard to follow. Maraming salamat po sa inyo, mga ate, mga kuya, and bunso. Allow me also to thank all of you for supporting me on my first term as your national president this year.
I wish our national president that you will not have to suffer the pain that we stood for years to bring the Eagles back to the original nest. I hope that respect and value the wisdom of elders who have stayed longer in this brotherhood, the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles of 1979. Deo et Patria, maraming salamat po sa pagsasama ninyo sa akin sa tunay na pugad ng Agila. Mabuhay ang Agila!